Hello, and welcome to Take Five with Tara. I'm your host, Tara Schenkel from Stewart Technologies. For the last few episodes of Take Five with Tara, we've focused on how sage distribution and manufacturing operations can help streamline operations for those in the role of shop floor manager. For the third part of our series today, we're going to focus on how SDMO and SDMO dashboards can really help streamline and identify when you have bottlenecks in operations. And so, as the shop floor manager of the Acme company, some of my key responsibilities include managing work orders to ensure timely completion, managing and handling work orders when delays occur, and alerting the purchasing person if there are delays in purchase orders that could impact manufacturing. And so, first thing you're going to see here is I've set up my dashboard to track purchase orders that have not been received. I also have it tracking work orders in progress. And if there are delay in work orders, what are those delays? And since I'm focused mainly on Acme, what I can do here is you'll see I'm going to actually just scroll on down and locate an Acme. Now you can filter these dashboards. For this particular one, I opted to have everything available. I can see I've got a purchase order that's pending. And so now if I click on the link to the PO, it can actually take me over to that purchase order so I can see what exactly on that PO is pending or missing. And so you'll see here I'm missing furniture screws. Okay, so this is a key component for me building my 61 series chair. So this would be something that I would flag to the purchasing supervisor to find out why I haven't received it. And so now if I head back to my dashboard for work orders in progress, I can check the status of all the work orders and the different items that we're manufacturing. I can sort by the number, the end date, and if I scroll down, I can see all the different items. So if I'm worried about my 61 series chair, I can come here and see I've got a few that are pending. And a red flag for me would be, hey, these are overdue. They should have been done by now. So now I can actually work in conjunction with the production floor to figure out why these items have not been manufactured. Why are they still um, in a draft or pending status? And then last but not least is my work order delays. So these are work orders that should have been finished but have not been completed yet. And so now I can scroll down and see, for the 61 series chair, do I have any delays? I do. And then I can see, okay, it's 42 days behind. And so as a shop floor manager, again, I would inquire on this work ticket to understand why is it pending and how can I move this along. So as you can see with the SDMO dashboard, it's very powerful in terms of managing different aspects. Notice I'm not running any reports. I'm simply viewing the data and scrolling and drilling as needed. So this is really the power of SDMO and how it can help streamline things. Thank you for tuning in today, and I look forward to seeing you again on our next Take Five with Tara. Thanks.